Have you received a message saying, "Selected for PMP Audit"? If yes, don't panic. You are not alone. This is completely normal, and with the right preparation, you can clear it easily. A PMP audit is a verification process conducted by PMI. It is used to validate your education and project experience. Most candidates are selected through random selection. Some applications are also chosen for additional data verification. First, you must submit your education certificate, such as your degree or diploma. Second, you need to provide your project management experience, verified by your supervisors. Third, you must share accurate contact details of your professional references. After receiving the audit notification, log into your PMI dashboard and open the audit section. Upload all required documents in PDF or image format. Make sure the files are clear and readable. Your supervisors may verify your experience digitally. After that, PMI reviews your complete submission. One common mistake is entering incorrect project start and end dates. Another major mistake is missing or incomplete supervisor signatures. Submitting incomplete forms or unclear documents can also delay your approval. To avoid problems, prepare all documents before submitting your application. Inform your supervisors in advance so they are ready to support your verification. Make sure all information in your application and documents is consistent and honest. Are you feeling confused or worried about the PMP audit process? Sterling Next reviews your PMP audit documents professionally. Visit www.sterlingnext.com for expert guidance. Please remember, PMI processes may change over time. Always check your PMI dashboard for the latest instructions. Subscribe to our channel for more career and certification updates.